Hello everyone. Today I am starting the Python course. So this is the first video tutorial where we see how to set up a development environment of the Python. So these are the today our topics are like first we see how to install the Python on your computer, and second how to install a text editor for the Python. So first we using the Python, using this link we have to download the Python, and the text editor we using the PyCharm. So let's go on the browser and just download all the Pythons and the PyCharms. So this is the link, we have to copy it and open our Google Chrome and any of the browser you have to choose. So wait for the loading of the browser. So okay, so now we have to go on the browser and paste our link, or you have to directly go to download Python. This is a link where you have to download your Python and download PyCharm. That is the editor where we write our Python code. So you have to download all the Python charm from this button, this download button. That is the community version which is free and open source for the Python development. So I am already downloaded those two software. So now I'm just installing the Python first. So install now. Follow all the instruction which prompt using during the installation of the Python. Wait for the Python installation. So in this via Python series, I am using the PyCharm for the development. You use any of editor for the Python development, like you use Visual Studio Code, your simple Notepad, your Notepad plus plus, any of the editor you want to use for the Python, it's okay for. So Python is be installing. Wait for the installation. Side by side I am just installing also PyCharm. Waiting for completion of the softwares. Click on the yes for the PyCharm. Click on the next. That is the your destination folder where the PyCharm is be located. Click on the next. Click on the there. Create desktop shortcut. Update path variable. Restart needed. Add bin folder of this files. Okay. Association next and install. So the Python installed. You have to check your Python using the go to the command prompt cmd and just type Python version. So here the Python is installed now. So now we check how we write a normal Python program using the editor. Okay, so I'm going here and just create a new file, and name is, one second, also add the extension of the file, just a second, extension. So I'm just write this file name hello.py. Py is the extension of the Python. You have to just click on this and just right click on the file and open in a notepad. I'm just open in a single notepad, choose the file option, notepad, and just open here and just write print hello world and just save it this file. Open this location on the command prompt and simply just write Python then file name. So here this is the output of our first Python program. That is a hello world. Simply we write using the command prompt. Side by side our PyCharms is also we installing, waiting for the completion. Okay, click on this. PyCharm also need to reboot the system. The reason is because we need to once the system is rebooted, so PyCharm is take the path of the Python, because PyCharm is provide by default running your Python files without writing the Python before the files, like we are using this command prompts. So waiting for the PyCharm. Refresh. Just double click on the shortcut of the PyCharm editor. You have to click on the confirm button and click on the don't send click. No need to send or anything. So our editor is now loading. You have to create a new project here. That's required a file where you need to save it. So we have to save our normally in our desktop inside the Python folder. Okay, that is the same thing. New environment using, that is the exe where our Python file is be located. Let me check the Python is be located in the same directory or not. So you have to verify your Python location. So I'm just typing here app data in a local folder, in a programs, and a Python 310 and the Python exe. Right, this is the right location. So we have to create on the Python. Okay, so now this is configured and loading the required libraries if needed. So this is creating virtual environment for this application. So just wait for the help. So file is be loaded here. The first file is be loaded here, the hello py. So the same words is be here, hello world. Is this the same file? If you see, this is the same file is be located here. So we need to add one more file here. So I'm just clicking on the right click, new file name we provide name.py. So now we just go on this file and just simple print hi Python and save it this file, and just go on the right click on this editor and click on the run file in Python console. So it's required confirmation for the first time for the firewall purpose. You click on the allow. So now this file is be run here. That is the output of the our line of code. That is the hi Python. Okay. Or you also simply click this also. This is a button where you have to click on directly run your Python file. So this is our video. Hope you liked it. If you like, please subscribe my channel and also hit comments. Thank you.